Now we are discussing about small business options. In that, drop shipping is another option. Drop shipping is a fulfillment model with a third-party supplier stores and ships inventory to customers on your behalf. You just need to make the sales and pass orders onto your supplier. You don't need to handle the products yourself. Therefore, drop shipping is the very definition of selling without holding inventory. The way to make almost any business selling physical products to consumers a relatively low investment business. The lower your investments further, you can curate products from one or more suppliers into your own online store under a theme that focuses on a specific emerging niche like gear for yoga enthusiasts or water bowls for dog owners. When a customer buys a product from you, the order is sent to your supplier who fulfills it on your behalf. However, you are still responsible for your own marketing and customer service. There are both local and overseas suppliers you can work with as long as you can establish a relationship with them built on trust, and an unreliable supplier will reflect poorly on your brand. Next point is drop shipping is a low investment way to test product market fit and launch a business before you invest in your own original products. Just be sure to always order a simple for yourself to make sure that your supplier is reliable and that the quality of the products is fit for selling to your customers. This is the information regarding drop shipping. Drop shipping is a very good concept, especially on behalf of e-commerce websites. You can work. Example, Amazon is there, Flipkart is there. In region wise, suppose for example Hyderabad is there. Hyderabad north, south, east, west. Likewise, they are dividing the zones because supplies are products orders are increasing, means they will supply those things to one particular location in north or south or east or west. Likewise, by that you are in drop shipping, you are supplying to the customer. So first it will come to your place. From that place to your local area, you will supply comfortably. That is the information regarding drop shipping. Is very comfortable in e-commerce for getting orders. So drop shipping also, everyone has to apply to Amazon and Flipkart e-commerce business units, and you should say about your storeroom is where it is there, transportation is available or not, manpower is there or not. They will check and they will give the information to you. By that they will give the guidance also, how to do, when to do, and what to do, what sort of labeling you should do. When returns will come, how you can manage all these things. They will give guidance and training also. According to that, you can do drop shipping. By that, they will give one commission of 2% or 3% or 4%. Commission will be there. By that commission, you can earn a lot, and it is comfortable to you. So it is also a very good service if you select it clearly. But you should have the surroundings should be very comfortable. That means you should have a store location, and it should be a transporting line of your location. All these things are there. That is e-commerce business units will verify your location and stores, and as well as what is the space, how many workers are required, what sort of amount they should spend in advance, and all these things they will say. And that location should be easy to transport to anywhere from your location to your surrounding local areas. By that they will judge everything. That is Amazon or Flipkart. Likewise, so many are there. They will come and see all the locations, and they will confirm the things. Then your drop shipping business will run very happily. So it is also a good business source. Wishing you all the best.